Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Please keep that in mind. Your love situation can be anything like you can be like take it however it resonates with you. Take whatever resonates and leave the other portion. Please keep in mind, don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading if this is not for you. For personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For self-love course, tarot reading course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, also links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Taurus, the mutual energy or the overall energy of the connection right now. Okay, so we have the Fool card, the King of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Death and Rebirth. Something is transforming. It's a big major huge shift happening in a particular dynamics. Maybe things ended at some point of time, but now they are coming again, like they are waking up from the dead kind of a thing. It's a rebirth kind of energy, but nothing is the same as it used to be, and it is never going to be. That is the underlying energy of transformation in your love and relationship area. The Fool, the King of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. You guys are trying your best to not to do anything stupid in this direction, taking your good sweet time in order to start or restart a chapter all over again in your love and relationship area. And right now, you are in the healing mode. You are in the taking a break mode and choosing your peace over anything else or anyone else kind of a deal. So even if there is someone around you, you are choosing your peace, you are choosing your space, you are choosing your energy of, okay, let me take things very very slowly because I don't want any kind of mess, I don't want any kind of unstable energies around me. So whenever I feel like I'm ready to move forward, then I'm going to do something about it. It's mostly your energies are very prominent in a connection right now. The other person might be there waiting for you to give some kind of green signal or something to them, or they are not that much involved in the situation right now because of your energies of healing and taking your break or taking your time or being in your own zone kind of energy, right? So the mutual energy here is of being in this grounded and mature and practical energy of, okay, let's take our time. And the lesson here for this week is heal before you move forward. That's what you're doing anyways, right? That's good. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Taurus. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. Mhm. We have the Chariot. So someone here is quite determined. They have this energy of determination. They feel like, okay, no matter how many obstacles or challenges and whatnot I'm going to uh, face in this direction, I'm going to keep moving forward. Now this keeping moving forward energy might or might not include you. Let me clarify the Chariot here. We have the Hierophant, the Justice, and the Seven of Pentacles. Yep. So they are feeling like right now things are not that much balanced between you guys. There's a lack of justice, lack of balance in the situation. They feel like the ball is in your court. Whatever you are going to do or whatever you are not going to do is going to make this situation move forward or stop immediately. So this person feels like no matter what is going to happen next, they are going to keep moving forward in their life with or without you. Whatever you are going to choose or whatever you are going to decide, they are going to patiently wait for your answer. They are going to patiently wait for some kind of green signal or for some kind of again final decision from your side. So they feel like just waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of balance or justice in the situation at some point of time, but at the same time they feel like making sure that they are not going to stop their life for you, hmm, for whatever reason. I just told you the reason actually. These are three major arcana cards out of four. This is a very, very life changing kind of a thing that's going on between you and this particular person. This person might be waiting for your yes, or they might be waiting for some kind of answer from your side so that you can make up your mind and decide. But you feel like right now is not the right time for me to say anything or make any kind of life changing decision. So that's why they're feeling like just waiting and watching and hoping for the results to come is the right thing to do. But they feel at the same time they feel like they should not keep themselves stuck on you or the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Okay. Five of Cups. You are upset about something. You are very, very upset. Okay. Something is making you feel left out in the cold. Not actually that. You are feeling like crying over spilled milk, something that didn't work out. You are feeling sad about that something that didn't work out. You're not able to see something that's working out or that's there for you. So you are definitely feeling some kind of regret and or some kind of guilt, or simply you feel like the loss of a situation on a very deeper level. Okay, let's clarify. You might be going through some kind of divorce process or separation or something like that with someone else. Or maybe you're leaving a bunch of people behind or situations behind, and you're not really focused on this area of your life. Okay, take it how it resonates with you according to your energies, honey. Let's clarify the Five of Cups here. We have the Eight of Swords, the Sun, and the Ace of Cups. Yeah, you're feeling like you got the proper clarity and understanding of a situation. Like there is crystal clear clarity about a situation that you were feeling trapped in, that you were mentally conflicted about. There's nothing left in that situation that is not clear. You feel like now moving towards new people, new energies, new bonds, new connection, but still there is pain. There's a lot of pain that you're still carrying inside of you, although you're feeling like at the same time you're feeling relieved that okay, whatever was supposed to happen, it happened already. Now I'm free to move forward, but still there's pain. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? King of Wands. This person wants to wear their sleeves on their heart. This person definitely wants to do something unusual. At the same time, this person wants to keep their pride also. They're like, I don't think so. This is somebody who is full of ego or something, but they don't want to get hurt, right? Okay, they want to do something about the situation, but at the same time, they don't want to end up hurting themselves. Might be dealing with a person who is like a friendship converting into something romantic, or a new person, a new energy that you are dealing with, but you are in contact from quite some time now, at least 7 days to 7 weeks or something like that, roughly. Okay, you're leaving something behind for good this time, and you are moving towards new energies, new people, but you're taking your time. Somebody is quite interested in you, but you are not able to open up even if you want to. The World, the Temperance, Page of Pentacles, right? This person is like, from time to time, they're losing their patience. They're like, oh my God, what the hell is happening? Why the hell Taurus can't open up simply and they can't just be with me because I'm ready? It's like they're not desperate or something. The very beautiful thing here is this person is not desperate, but they know that this can happen between you and them, and that is why they are little frustrated. Okay, and they want to keep things practical, logical, stable. They want to create a stable base between you and them. They're ready to be friends only for the time being, but you know their intention, they know their intentions. Okay, that's why things are a little bit complicated. That's why you might not be able to completely open up, because you know their intentions. At the end of the day, they want something solid with you. Okay, cool. Let's see, it's like, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? Eight of Wands. You want to have back and forth communication, like lots of communication. You just want to make them understand side of the story, you want to understand their side of the story. So you want to keep the communication very clear, okay, between you guys. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. We have the Eight of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, the Magician. Right. You don't want to give all of your time, all of your energy and efforts to one particular person or situation, especially this one that's attached to you right now. So you just want to talk to them about you walking away from something or someone that was very very prominent in your life, and you are manifesting a brand new life. So you want to be very very clear, honest, and very practical about this situation in your life, about how you are going to move forward in this department of your life. So basically you don't want to make a fool of anyone, not them, and you want to have a clear cut communication and clear cut understanding of what's going on from your side. And this might or might not happen between you and this particular person or energy. If this kind of person is not around you right now, they are going to be very very soon, because timeline is fluid. Our time and universe's time is different. So you might end up meeting this kind of person quite soon. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Taurus, till the 21st of December. Two of Cups. Okay. This is going to convert into something really meaningful. Okay, let me clarify this. Let me clarify this. But this is something like both of you can feel it, both of you can sense it. The other person is feeling very deeply. You are kind of not opening up too much, even if you're trying to. We have the Strength card, the Queen of Cups, and the Devil card. Devil. So, my love, what is happening, Taurus? One of you is falling in love with the other person here, and they're considering it as a very beautiful soulmate kind of a dynamic. The other person is not able to open up, even if they want to. They are trapped in their own negativity, in their own toxicity, in their own experiences. They are trying their best to move forward and feel the feelings and feel the love and bond, but they are not able to do that because of their own fears and own unhealthy patterns and energies that they have experienced at this point of their life. That is why things are not going anywhere. There is anywhere. This is a major energy of There's a major energy of holding back, right? Suppressing their feelings, suppressing the energies. So one of you is full of love and full of this energy of, okay, we can make this happen. This is really beautiful. This is really meaningful, and we can do something about it. And the other person is, I told you, they are in their own world and they're trying to figure out their own life right now, and that is creating this blockage. Like, this situation is not going to go anywhere because, again, I told you multiple times the reason here, but there's a major energy of holding back and not doing anything about it because one of you is not ready. The other person is not forcing the other person to be with them because of their love or their feelings, but they can also sense it on a deeper level that there is some problem here that needs to be sorted. It's somewhat like Aries today. Somewhat like. Not full. Oh my god, I hurt my nose myself. Shit. Shit. Anyways, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. Taurus. We have the Tower, the Five of Cups, and the Two of Swords, right? See, this pain might be from like a problem or a situation or a bond like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, who knows, right? But this is something from your past that is still bothering you, or something triggered the pain in you again, and now you are very much up in the air, very much on the crossroads, not being able to open up, not being able to think straight when it comes to this department of your life. So take your time, Taurus. That's why you're doing the right thing in the mutual energy, or like overall energy. You were telling me that I'm taking my time, I'm not opening up, and I'm not ready to like make a fool of anybody because I'm not ready. So you're doing the right thing here, Taurus. So the guidance here is until unless you are feeling completely okay, you are completely over with the past, and you have learned how to deal with the fears, how to deal with the insecurities, and how to deal with the past. I think you should not open up, right? You should not, yeah, say yes or no to anything or anyone, but tell them very very honestly what's going on and why you are doing whatever you're doing, so that they can at least move forward in their life if you are not ready to open up or move forward. Okay, we don't have any right to ruin anybody's life just because we are not ready, or we are not capable of giving them the kind of love that they're hoping for. Please don't do that. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to answer the question. If this is not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you want to. Okay, so you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no. It's a straight no. Okay, so I don't have to explain this to you guys. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.